from WDSU.
Breaking news for you at 6 o'clock. We now know that one person has been taken off of a ship from near Belle Chase. Take a look at this. These are pictures just sent into the WDSU newsroom. The Marine Phoenix docked near the naval station. This happened earlier today. That one person we're telling you about was transported to West Jefferson Medical Center, and what we know right now is in critical condition. More crew members could be taken to the hospital a little bit later. We'll keep you posted on that. Later tonight, that ship is expected to continue to New Orleans. WDSU reporter Andy Cunningham joins us from New Orleans East, where the vessel is expected to arrive tonight. Andy, what can you tell us?
Well, not much more from what you have said so far, Camille, but we do know that that ship is set to come here, potentially near the Industrial Canal in New Orleans East at some point this evening, possibly around 9 o'clock. That, according to the Center for Disease Control, the CDC. On that ship, they're confirming again the boat will be arrived earlier with a sick crew member on board, and that the U.S. Coast Guard and other emergency personnel met that boat and took that patient to West Jefferson Hospital, as you reported. We also know that ship did spend some time in the Democratic Republic of Congo, but at this time there is no evidence to suggest that the crew members traveled to or had any contact with anyone from the remote inland region of the Congo, where Ebola cases are occurring as we speak. Now, medical experts say the chance that the crew member or crew members have Ebola is exceedingly low. Now, health officials will also be evaluating two other crew members we're told were also taken off that ship and taken to a local hospital. We assume the same West Jeff, but at this point we are trying to confirm that information. As to what Camille said, the one crew member we're told in the most serious case is now in critical condition. We hope to have much more information as it becomes available, and then we will pass it along to you. Reporting live on your side from New Orleans East, I'm Andy Cunningham. Back to you.
All right, Andy, with that thorough report on this breaking news story, thank you very much. And right now,